Alpha Cut Laser Cut Stainless Steel Stencils. Laser cut stencils were pioneered and developed by Cookson Electronics and have now become the standard for surface mount assembly. This short video shows the steps we go through to ensure our customers receive their laser cut stencils right first time, on time, every time. Alpha Cut stencil foils are manufactured from high-quality stainless steel in a range of thicknesses from 3 to 10 mils at 75 to 250 microns. The thickness of the stencil is critical in achieving optimized paste volume deposits. We stretch the foils within frames, but also produce frameless foils to suit all printers and formats, as well as the majority of foil tensioning systems. Our experienced CAD engineers are expert in analyzing the data you provide and will automatically evaluate the likely paste transfer efficiency for every aperture in your stencil. They combine alpha design and modification rules, honed by customer feedback and experimental development, with your own specific design requirements and preferences to produce stencils with outstanding print capabilities. We can even calculate the printed solder paste volume you might expect for each stencil design before a single aperture is cut. It's this level of knowledge and accumulated expertise that differentiates Alpha Cut stencils from the rest. The laser machine itself offers best-in-class positional accuracy across the board, coupled with best-in-class aperture tolerance. These state-of-the-art lasers have an ultra-fine pitch capability to deal effectively with the smallest of apertures. The laser process itself is optimized to ensure apertures are cut to give best paste deposition. But the area ratio, that is the ratio of aperture opening to the area of aperture walls, is critical for efficient paste transfer. As this ratio becomes smaller, usually the case for small apertures, efficient paste release becomes more difficult. Being the world's premier solder paste manufacturer, Cookson also combines its knowledge of individual solder paste printability to optimize designs. Some solder pastes naturally print easier than others, so the Cookson design modification rules take this factor into account. In order to further enhance the printability of some stencil designs, we would offer and recommend stepped areas within the stencil. It would be natural to assume that the thicker the stencil, the greater the volume of paste would be deposited. But that is not always the case. In certain instances, and with very small apertures, it's possible to increase the paste deposit volume by actually reducing the thickness of the stencil around those apertures. Cookson Electronics has the all-round know-how to optimize printability of any stencil design. Order your stencil today, and we'll do everything possible to deliver it to you tomorrow, if that is what you need. Although a little more notice than that is appreciated. For highly repeatable, accurate printing performance, look no further than Alpha Cut Laser Cut Stainless Steel Stencils, the original and still the best. Alpha Stencils, meeting your needs through knowledge, experience, and service.